By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT protein powder for babies. Introducing protein powder to a baby's diet is a topic of much debate and concern among healthcare professionals and parents alike. While protein is an essential nutrient for growth and development, babies have unique nutritional needs that are best met through breast milk or formula during their first year of life. Breast milk is considered the gold standard for infant nutrition, providing the perfect balance of nutrients, including proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, tailored to meet a baby's needs. Formula, designed to mimic the composition of breast milk, also provides adequate protein and other essential nutrients for infants who are not breastfed. Maximize your gains with Dimetize ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, an optimum nutrition gold standard 100% whey protein powder, with quality ingredients and delicious flavors. Fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. The American Academy of Pediatrics (AAP) recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life, followed by continued breastfeeding, along with the introduction of complementary foods, until at least 12 months of age. Formula-fed babies should receive iron-fortified infant formula as their primary source of nutrition during the first year. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. So, where does protein powder fit into this picture? The general consensus among healthcare professionals is that protein powder is unnecessary and potentially harmful for babies. Here's why. 1. Digestive immaturity. Babies have delicate digestive systems that are still developing during their first year of life. Protein powders often contain additives, sweeteners, and other ingredients that can be difficult for babies to digest and may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including gas, bloating, and diarrhea. 2. Nutritional balance. Breast milk and formula are carefully formulated to provide the right balance of nutrients for optimal growth and development. Introducing protein powder to a baby's diet can disrupt this balance, potentially leading to nutritional imbalances or deficiencies in other essential nutrients. 3. Safety concerns. Protein powders are not regulated as strictly as infant formula or baby food products. There is a risk that protein powders may contain contaminants, such as heavy metals, bacteria, or other harmful substances, which can be particularly dangerous for infants with their still developing immune systems. 4. Feeding habits. Introducing protein powder to a baby's diet may send the wrong message about feeding habits and nutrition. It's important for parents to focus on establishing healthy feeding patterns early on, with breast milk or formula